Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Yesterday we also saw a breakthrough our key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark. Though after managing to break above it, we didn't get a successful retest, and at the time of this recording we are trying to battle out with that key area of resistance once more, and the moment we manage to break through it once more, I'll be expecting a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.04267 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04932 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, I've been saying to you in my previous videos that I'm watching for a break above the wave 1 high and continue holding above the wave 1 high. And at the time of this recording, you can see that at some point we had lost the wave 1 high, but we are trying to regain, that is to get back above the wave 1 high once more. And the moment we continue holding above it, there are high chances that we are going to continue showing some impulsiveness, break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.04336 mark, also manage to break above the 20-day MA, continue giving us support, get a successful retest of that key area of resistance before we can fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Gala Games chart. I still believe that the trend is up, and there are high chances that we are going to fully maximize our minimum target areas at around the $0.049 mark, and that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And to also give you the long-term outlook here on the Gala Games chart, basing it on this Elliot structure right here in blue, where you can see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out within that blue target area down here. And having seen the low for that second wave, my primary scenario on the long-term scenarios is that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas in that wave 3 and also giving us the high for that wave 3. And that's the reason as to why you can see that here on the charts I have these micro Elliot wave counts, where you can see I have these 5-wave structure completing that first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 right here, bottoming out within this white target area. And having seen the low for this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation because of its impulsive nature. And it is this white Elliot wave structure that has just given me the short-term scenarios, having the target areas in that wave 3 at around the $0.04932 mark as a minimum. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we had been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.